What's up guys, I'm on with a new video. The plan for today is to finish fabrication on the chassis and also get into paint. Jake's got bars and stuff to put in, some rear light mounts because the old ones are just fiberglass and not very strong. And then after it's been in paint, start working on like the interior, making a new dashboard for it and center console, and also figuring out wiring where it's going to route through and stuff like that. So we'll jump right into the video. So you're going to be bolting it in now?
Yeah, it's getting bolted out. Ali will be getting drilled and tapped. And yeah, we'll be getting bolted up very soon. More so we can just see how it's all going to sit, see if we're good. I need a knocking stick to knock that through there. What do you mean keep holding it? You just let go of it. Oh, they're pretty. Ooh. Paint with them. Oh yeah, I did. Merry Christmas. It's like, do you know what it's like? It's like, do you know when Santa comes?
Yeah.
Oh no, who wants us?
Goddamn phone. So the chassis is now in paint. As you can see it.
It's a possibility.
And Dan and Jimbo have been working on putting the front suspension together.
Always lose a piece.
Yeah. Usually in a wheel arch or on a tyre or something like that.
It's his signature.
His signature.
I think we'll do other side. Look at it. Yeah, we need to paint back to them hubs. That's what you drop that. Right up your straight back. I don't like it.
Hey, Bonnie.
Bonnie. Get some tools in your hand. You're lazy.
So with the chassis now in paint, lads have been putting together the front and rear suspension. Also been starting to put together the interior. Run the wiring through conduits either side of the transmission tunnel. We've got conduit running to the backlights. This one will run from the battery to the alternator and starter. You're making
some form of bracing for rear lights, because they work like that before. Just bits of fiberglass bolted to fiberglass body.
how fast.
So we need to cook it somewhere down here. Yeah.
Just putting a bit more out of it.
Yeah, just leave the curve. That way when we put this material on it, it won't rip it to pieces. Premium workbench. Because I've got nothing else to put in it, so we need a bin. If it works, it works.
If it works, it works. And just like magic, you didn't even need to cut it.
Drill. Yes, I have my safety goggles on. I've just took them off.
Yeah. It just fell away. Cutting into a Viper dash, nice.
I practiced now, I know what I'm doing.
So Jimmy, for the people at home,
Yeah.
what are you exactly doing?
So,
You might want to take your mask off.
beautiful. On the original dashboard, you've got 4 gauges
Yeah.
in center console, which are all from an original Viper. So what we're doing now is just making a template so we can get it as close as possible
Yeah.
to an original Viper. The 4 gauges, and then it'll be as dashboard, and then it'll tie into a center console here. It'll then tie into this, and it'll be all
Viper.
it'll be all Dodge Viper.
Yeah. So the gauges are over here. Oh, they were over there. Oh. Mark's nicked them.
There you go.
Ta-da!
Are you bringing that upwards then? Is that foam where you want a piece sitting or something?
This is when I foam on it,
Alright.
and then material comes over.
You'll have what are we doing with these top bits? Are you just putting pieces of wood behind it, or
No,
what's your plan there?
based on ABS.
Alright.
Oh God, he's
Hello! Hey. Oh, moving it all up.
been cutting dashboards. So this is where we're at a minute with the Viper, making a template for the dash and center console, so we can then lay material over the top of this, get it looking standard. Then we've got in here bracing Again, we're using this to mount the rear lights off instead of the old fiberglass mountings, which are in here. That's what the lights were mounted to originally. And that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.